Hi, my name is Scott Verosi, and I have been opening videos by saying I am writing a book on mirror harmony. Now I can say I have written a book on mirror harmony. And the proof came in the mail today, and I wanted to unbox it, do a quick video of that process. I didn't make any plans here, so just look for the weakest link, or just attack it from all sides, I guess. But this is first copy of the Brádály notebook. So I'm seeing it for the first time. There's the title. Hopefully you can see it. The Brádály notebook. And then continue opening it. And there's the author, Scott Verosi. And we'll slide it out of its nice cardboard mailer, and there it is, the Brádály notebook. The Brádály notebook, Lost Secrets. Brádály notebook, Lost Secrets of the Faust and Dante Symphonies. And that's pretty much it. Pause right here. So, but I will go through this. It's got a little description on the back. If you open up the Brádály notebook, it says Brádály notebook. It says to Kristen, it says table of contents, and then you're right into it. You got the introduction, you've got a bunch of diagrams, you've got a bunch of a little bit of history chapters, you've got examples from the works we've been talking about, which are, primarily Wagner and Liszt and Bartók. And you've got excerpts from the Harvard lectures by Bartók. You've got ciphers for encoding and for analyzing music. You've got the different chords of our system, like the Tristan chord and the Isolde chord and the Heinrich chord and the Gretchen chord and Orpheus chord. I mean, all these are just cool names for things you know as minor 6 and major 7 and minors with majors, and very cool stuff. I won't belabor it. Counterpoint examples in there, and I'm seeing it for the first time, so I'm really, really super excited about it. Scale transformation exercises, just kind of couldn't be cooler. Here's all 12 configurations of the music mirror harmony cipher disc, in case you don't have yours handy. Some final words by the author, me, and that's it. The Brádály notebook, on sale now, and I hope you will click the link that's probably on this video and grab a copy. And thanks for being a part of the Liszt principles. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.